This is a really interesting machine that we're going to show you that's making porcelain. This machine is making 3D porcelain, and what it's able to do, it's able to be programmed so that you can basically make any type of shape or finish or anything that you want on it. And you can see how it's putting on the this little top part here, this fringe, bit by bit and one by one on each of the pieces. I think it's also important to point out that this would be impossible to do by hand. I don't know how this could be done by hand. I mean, maybe someone could do it by hand, and it certainly would take a lot of time, and it would take a huge amount of labor. So this machine's, able to do it in a precision that probably could not be done by hand. And it's able to, protect the item too, because if you touch this, you'd have to start all over if this was hand done. So this really is one of the most economical ways to be able to do 3D porcelain. This kind of gives you a better view to see how the inside of it is and how it's kind of all sort of hollow with its shapes. And here you can see another one that's sort of making it up again layer by layer. And we're going to show you here at the end some different ones. This is a close-up to show you some of the layers, and this is another kind of interesting shape that they can do. And they can do the same shape in different colors, or they can do a more intricate shape. We really love this new 3D kind of porcelain. Thank you so much for listening. This is Anita from Mindoro. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or comments, and we'd love to be able to hear from you, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And here's where you can reach us on Instagram or Facebook or through our website, mindoro.com. We have a lot of great blogs on there, so we'd love to have you join with us. Thank you so much for listening.